In this problem, we're asking to divide a polynomial by a binomial, and we have a division. So we need to be able to do the long division. We are placing our long division. Inside will be 8x to the fourth minus 16x to the third minus 2x squared minus 10x plus 35. On the outside, we have a 2x minus 3. And then we just need to go through the process to divide. First, what do I need to multiply 2x to get 8x to the fourth? Will be 2 times 4 will give me 8. And how many more x's do I need? Will be x to the third. Then you need to make sure that you multiply by both and place it underneath. 4x to the third times 2x will give me 8x to the fourth. 4x to the third times negative 3 will be a negative 12x to the third. And now we just need to change the signs because we need to subtract. We're just basically going to change the signs on both. That 8x to the fourth cancels. That gives me negative 4x to the third. Bring down your next term. That's negative 2x squared. And then we're going to need to go through the process once all over again. What do I need to multiply 4x to the third? What do I need to multiply 2x to get negative 4x to the third? Will be negative 2x. And I need 2 more x's. Multiply by them both gives me negative 4x to the third. And that gives me a positive 6x squared. And now we need to change the signs. That's a positive becomes a, that's a negative becomes a positive. That's a positive becomes a negative. The x to the thirds cancel. We have 4x squared. And we bring down the next term, minus 10x. And now go through the process once again. What do I need to multiply 2x to get 4x to the second? Will be positive 2x. Multiply it out. Now, one of the things that you want to make sure is that at this point, double check to make sure that you are doing the work correctly. For example, 4x to the third, the next one should be negative. So, not positive, so it should not be a or b. Now, on the next one, I have a 2x, but there are no 2x's. So, I probably did something wrong in the process. So, let me go back and check. Let's see, that's negative 2x. And when I change the sign, that becomes a negative. So, this should be a negative 8. So, that's one of the things that you should be doing. As you are working through the problem, check your answer to make sure that you are doing it correctly. In this case, what do I need to multiply 2x to get negative 8x will be negative 4x. Multiply it out, gives me negative 8x squared. Multiply it out, gives me a positive 12x. And I'm going to change my sign. That's a positive, that's a negative. That cancels. That gives me negative 22x. Bring down your next number, it will be positive 35. And your next number should be negative 11. With a Dutch match. 2x multiplied by what gives me negative 22x will be negative 11. Multiply it out, gives me negative 22x. Multiply it out, gives me positive 33. We are going to change our signs, so that becomes a positive. That becomes a negative. It's cancelled. That gives me a positive 2. So therefore my remainder will be positive 2 over 2x minus 3. And your answer will be letter C. Just remember, this is a positive, so it should match your remainder.